What if I told you that you could express love using only beginner vocabulary? No poetry, no metaphors, no dramatic declarations. Just 心 heart, 给 give, 喜欢 like. This song challenges everything we assume about emotional language. Welcome to the vulnerability of simple words. A deep dive into 这是我的心. In English, we often hide our feelings behind complex metaphors. We fall in love, or we have butterflies. But in Chinese, some of the most profound emotions are expressed with the simplest HSK1 vocabulary. This song, This Is My Heart, doesn't use flowery language. It uses childlike honesty. 每天看见你，我的心高兴. Every day I see you, my heart is happy. It's direct, it's vulnerable. Let's listen to how the simple joy begins.
每天看见你，我的心高兴。
Let's look at a phrase 我的心高兴. In English, we usually say I am happy. We focus on the person. But in Chinese, the 心 heart is often the subject of the emotion. You might know the word for happy is 高兴. But notice the song doesn't say I am happy. 我很高兴. It says my heart is happy. In Chinese culture, the heart is seen as the office of the mind and spirit. When your heart is happy, your whole being is in balance. In English, we say I'm in a good mood. In Chinese, you have a good heart feeling. 好心情. This song reminds us that happiness isn't just an outward expression. It's an eternal state of the 心.
你是我朋友，最好的朋友，我爱你，很爱，这是我的心给你，希望你也喜欢。
The chorus contains the most humble line in the song. 这是我的心给你，这是我的心给你。This is my heart. I give it to you. In Western romance, we give our hearts, but it's often a grand, dramatic gesture. In this song, the verb 给 makes it feel like a physical gift, like handling someone a cup of tea. It's followed by 希望你也喜欢，希望你也喜欢. I hope you also like it. The use of 喜欢 here is fascinating. In English, you love a heart. You don't like it. But in Chinese, 喜欢 implies a gentle, long-term appreciation. It's less about a fire of passion and more about the warm companionship. Listen for that humble, hopeful tone in a singer's voice.
这是我的心给你，希望你也喜欢。
The second verse moves from the heart to the world around us. 说很多话, speaking many words. This is a classic HSK1 phrase, but in the context of the friendship, it means everything. Look at the structure. When you smile, 你笑的时候. In Chinese, 的时候 is how we create when clauses. Literally, the time of your smiling. It freezes a moment in time. English speakers often say, you have a pretty smile. But the song says, 真的很漂亮. You are really pretty. It's a total compliment of a person's essence in that specific moment.
你笑的时候真的很漂亮。
The song takes a sudden turn towards longing. 我想你，现在就想。I miss you. I miss you right now. That little word, 就 is one of the hardest for learners to master. Here, it adds emphasis and urgency. It's not just I miss you. It's I miss you immediately. It connects the thought to the present moment like a spark. Finally, we have the particle 呢 in 你在哪儿呢? This isn't just a question. The 呢 adds a soft, wandering tone. It's the sound of a heart looking around an empty room. Hear how the mood shifts here.
我想你，现在就想你在哪儿呢？
We often think that to express deep love, we need complex poetry. But 这是我的心 proves that HSK1 vocabulary is enough. You don't need 1,000 words. You just need the right ones. Heart, 心 give, 给 love, 爱 Next time you want to tell someone how you feel, try the simple Chinese way. Don't hide behind metaphors. Just say, 这是我的心，给你。Now that we've explored the heart of these lyrics, let's put it all together. Close your eyes or follow along with the characters on screen and see how much more you feel this time. Here is the full version of 这是我的心。
每天看见你，我的心高兴。你是我朋友，最好的朋友。我爱你，很爱。这是我的心给你，希望你也喜欢。我们在一起说很多话，你笑的时候真的很漂亮。我爱你，很爱。这是我的心给你，希望你也喜欢。我想你，现在就想你在哪儿呢？我爱你，很爱。这是我的心给你，希望你也喜欢。我爱你，很爱。这是我的心给你，希望你也喜欢。